Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to discuss some problems, vector problems. Okay? To see the question on the board, focus on the cap. Look here now. A bar equal to 3 I cap minus 4 J cap. B bar equal to minus I cap minus 4 J cap. Calculate the direction of A bar plus B bar. Look here. According to this one, look here now. A bar plus B bar. First to determine. What is the A bar value? 3 I cap minus 4 J cap. What is the B bar value? Minus I cap minus 4 J cap. Here 3I minus I 2 I cap minus 4J minus 4J minus 8J. I add J add. Look here, 3I minus I 2I minus 4J minus 4J minus 8J. But here to find the direction of A bar plus B bar. In the physics, direction is nothing but the angle. Here to determine the angle. According to given data, look here. This is positive x, negative x. Positive y, negative y. Here the given vector is 2I minus 8J. Simply positive x-axis, negative y-axis. The vector lie in the positive x-axis, negative y-axis. Okay, negative y-axis. Look here. Why here negative y-axis? Minus j is there. Okay. This is the vector number. This angle can be determined. According to mathematics, this is parallel to y-axis. This component is ay. This is parallel to x-axis. This component is ax. What is the ax value? 2. I coefficient. J coefficient 8. Here to determine tan theta. What is the tan theta definition? Opposite side by adjacent side. What is the opposite side? 8. What is the adjacent side? 2. 8 by 2, 4. Simply tan theta equal to 4. Okay. Nana, here, look here. In the chapter, angle always measured axis to vector. Axis to vector. Axis is here to vector. This direction is clockwise. Clockwise. Okay, any problem? Look here. Here, angle measured axis to vector. It right in this direction indicate clockwise with positive x-axis. Clockwise with positive x-axis. Okay? This is the problem solution. Next I discuss another problem. Here, keyword in the problem, A bar is given, B bar is given, find C bar. Keyword in the problem, equation also given. According to this equation, minus other side plus, simply C bar equal to 3A bar plus 2B bar. Look here, C bar equal to 3. What is the A bar? Minus 2I cap plus J cap minus 3K cap. plus 2 into what is the b bar value? B bar value 5 I cap plus 3 j cap minus 2 k cap. Okay, look here, c bar equal to, look here now, here a substitute, here b substitute. 3 multiply 3 into minus 2 minus 6i, 3 into j cap 3 j cap minus 9 k cap plus 2 into 5 10 I cap plus 6 j cap minus 4 k cap. Here I add 10i minus 6i, finally we get 4i. 3j 6j, finally we get 9j. Okay, minus 9 minus 4 minus 13k. Okay, this is the third vector c bar. Find magnitude of c అన్నాడు. C bar ఎంత వచ్చిందో చెప్పాలి మీరే. 4 I cap plus 9 j cap minus 13 k cap. Both side I apply modulus. Here left side seen on right side under root 4 square 16, 9 square 81, 13 square 169. Nana I చూడండి, I coefficient square plus j coefficient square plus k coefficient square minus 13 whole square plus 169. It will be calculated to determine magnitude of c. One of the rectangular component is 10. According to question, suppose any body, any two-dimensional situation, two rectangular components is there. One is x component, other one is y component. Suppose x component is given, simply rx value 10. Find other component, simply to determine ry. This is the resultant. Resultant is given. Resultant is given. What Nana? 20. Okay. Resultant always passing between the two vectors. Okay. According to, we know that, for example, r bar write as in terms of position vectors rx I cap plus ry j cap. Both side I apply modulus. In the left side it becomes r. In the right side under root I coefficient square rx square plus yj coefficient square ry square. R value is given 20 under root rx square 10 whole square plus ry square. Squaring on both sides, 20 whole square 400, 10 square 100 plus ry square. 400 minus 100, finally it becomes 300 equal to ry square. Finally ry write as under root 300. Neatly write as ry equal to root 300, write as 10 root 3. Okay, 100 outside. root 3. Okay. Ahi Krishna, A value is 12. This vector makes an angle 30 degrees with positive x-axis. This is positive x-axis. This is vector. This vector name A. This angle is given 30 degrees. The question is find components. A have two rectangular components. Angle says A cos theta. Remaining will be A sin theta. This A resolved into two components. X component, Y component. Angle chete idemedi cos. Remaining component sin. According to question, find x component అన్నాడు. ఎప్పుడైతే x component అన్నాడో what is the ax value? Look here, x component a cos theta, a value 12, theta value 30, cos 30 root 3 by 2. Finally write 6 root 3. What is the y component? According to diagram, look here. Y component is ay equal to a sin theta, a value 12, sin 30 1 by 2, 12 by 2 6. This is y component. Look the Ahi Krishna, b value 12 ichadu. Look here, b value 12 ichadu. Here this angle is ఎంత అన్నాడు 120. This is the x axis. 120 means this is the y axis. యాంగిల్ ఎంత ఇది మధ్య 90 అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడో ఉంటుంది నాన్న. ఇది b అవుతుంది. లుక్ హియర్. ఇప్పుడు ఇది y యాక్సిస్ తో ఎంత యాంగిల్ చేస్తుంది 30. లుక్ హియర్. ఈ యాంగిల్ ఎంత 90. దిస్ b with x axis what angle? Total angle is 120. ఇప్పుడు రిజాల్వ్ చేయడం వచ్చు కదా, యాంగిల్ చేస్తే అదేమవుతుంది cos theta. ఈ కాంపోనెంట్ ఏమవుతుంది b sin theta. ఇదేం సార్ ఇటు రావాలి కదా సార్ అంటే దిస్ ఈస్ ద వెక్టర్ ఆల్వేస్ లై బిట్వీన్ ద కాంపోనెంట్స్. ఓకే, హియర్ x కాంపోనెంట్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ అదే కదా, x కాంపోనెంట్ ఎంత అవుతుందో చూసి చెప్పండి ఫాస్ట్ గా. x కాంపోనెంట్ b sin theta, b value is given 12, theta is 30, sin 30 1 by 2 6. Similarly y component according to diagram b cos theta, b value 12, cos 30 root 3 by 2. Finally we get 6 root 3. Okay, అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ టోటల్ ఎక్స్ కాంపోనెంట్ అని అడిగాడు. అంటే రెండు కలపమన్నాడు, టోటల్ ఎక్స్ కాంపోనెంట్. ఇది చూడండి, ఇది ఎంత 6 root 3 i cap. ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ కాంపోనెంట్ చూడండి 6 root 3 6 మైనస్ i cap. ఎందుకంటే మైనస్ i, దిస్ ఈజ్ అలాంగ్ నెగటివ్ ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్. టోటల్ ఎక్స్ కాంపోనెంట్ ఈజ్ 6 root 3 i cap minus 6 i cap. I cap common, remaining 6 root 3 minus 6. Next component name y component. Here this is the y component. Y component is the 6 positive y axis. ఏడంతుంది 6 root 3 positive y axis. కాబట్టి రెండిట్లో కామన్ j కామన్ 6 plus 6 root 3. Okay? Nana positive x axis I cap, positive y axis j cap, positive z axis k cap, negative x axis minus I cap, negative y axis minus j cap, negative z axis minus k cap. Look here. Santosh, a bird moves, a bird moves in such a way that it has a displacement 12 meters towards east along the x-axis. So that's why 12 I cap. Again 5 meter towards north along positive y-axis, it write j cap. Once again 12 meter east, 5 meter north, and again 9 meter vertically upward. X-axis, y-axis, z-axis. 9 meter vertically upwards. 9 k cap. Okay? 5j, 9k. Nana, here. This right total displacement S bar. Find magnitude of displacement. Magnitude determine both side. I apply modulus 12 I cap 5 j cap plus 9 k cap. Right side modulus right as under root 12 square 144, 5 square 25, 9 square 81. It will be adding. Finally we get 144 plus 25, 169, 170. Finally we get 250. It neatly write as 25 into 10, 5 root 10. Okay, finally we get, this is the answer. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. In the physics, cos alpha denoted by L, cos beta denoted by M, cos gamma denoted by N. Here L, M and N are called as direction cosines. Already this concept explained. Cos alpha formula Ax by modulus A bar. Cos beta formula Ay by modulus A bar. Cos gamma formula Az by modulus A bar. Look here. Here, what is the A bar? Modulus A bar write as A. Modulus A bar write as A. Modulus A bar write as A. Here A value 5 root 2. A value 5 root 2. But here root 2 is there. So that's why 5 multiplied 5 divide. 5 what? Cancel. Now we compare Ax value 4. Compare ay value 5. Compare az value 3. The vector name is a bar. Write as in terms of position vector ax I cap ay j cap plus az k cap. Okay, here ax value 4 I cap 5 j cap plus 3 k cap. This is the vector form of the A. Okay, is given I cap plus 2 j cap plus 6 k cap. Find direction of cosines. Okay, here direction of cosines can be calculated. Here a bar equal to, look here, ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Look here now. Comparison of ax value 1, I coefficient, j coefficient 2, k coefficient 6. Okay, the question is find direction of cosines. Simply to calculate cos alpha, to calculate cos beta, to calculate cos gamma. We know that cos alpha formula axy modulus a bar, ay by modulus a bar, cos gamma az by modulus a bar. Here modulus, both sides we apply modulus. It is equation right as a equal to under root I coefficient square, j coefficient square, k coefficient square. Both sides I have to apply modulus. A right as under root, that will here, that will be happens. But ax value is given, ax value is given 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 6 square 36, nearly root 41. Here substitute ax value 1, modulus of a bar value 41, ay value 2, modulus of a bar value root 41, az value 6, modulus of a bar value 41. Look here. Here cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma is called direction cosines. What is the relation? Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. Sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma equal to 2. Is given, find components of yz plane and zx plane. Here first to determine first question. Find the component of what plane? YZ plane. YZ means JK taken, minus 3J cap plus 4K cap. Component means scalar. So we apply both side modulus. Modulus we apply, it becomes under root J coefficient square 3 whole square 9 plus 2. K coefficient square 4 square 16. 9 plus 16 25. Root 25 becomes 5. Okay. In the question second problem, we take ZX plane. ZX plane means K and I taken. What is the A bar now? 2I cap plus 4K cap. In the situation find component. Both sides we have applied modulus A under root I coefficient square 2 square 4 K coefficient square 16. Here finally we get root 20. Root 20 write as 4 into 5. Neatly write as 2 root 5. Okay. The last problem is a very important problem to see here. A bar is given, B bar is given. Look the question. Find A bar plus B bar. Look here. A bar plus B bar. Directly I solve. I add. 3I plus 2I 5I. Minus 4J plus 3J minus J. Sriram. 5K minus 4K plus K. Okay? This is the problem. The question read properly. Find unit vector. Unit vector mathematical representation is A cap. A cap formula. A bar by modulus A bar. Here A cap is a unit vector. Now unit vector parallel to A bar plus B bar. Representation check చేసుకోండి. A is replaced by A plus B cap. Right side solution A bar plus B bar whole by modulus of A bar plus B bar. Once again we check. A cap అంటే A bar by modulus A bar. ఇప్పుడు A bar plus B bar whole by modulus of A bar plus B bar. What is the A bar plus B bar? 5I cap minus J cap plus K cap whole by here write A bar plus B bar 5I cap minus J cap plus K cap. Here right side 5I cap minus J cap plus K cap whole by here modulus is right. First right root square root I coefficient square 5 square 25 plus J coefficient square minus 1 whole square plus 1 K coefficient square 1 square 1. Finally we get 5I cap minus J cap plus K cap whole by under root 27. Look here.